Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a good day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to save a document. And to do this, you need to go to, for example, I've just opened a document, this one, and let's save it. So you can easily go to File and choose Save As, or you can use the shortcut keys Shift Control S. So click on it, and you can from here in this window you can change the directory. Right now I'm saving it in this folder, which is work sample, and from here you can change the name of your file, and here you can change the format that you're saving your file. Right now I'm going to change this to Adobe Illustrator, but we have other formats like PDF, EPS, which is another format of Illustrator. EPS is another format that you can use in Illustrator, which is a FXG picture based on Illustrator. So we have other options like AIT, SVG, and SVG compressed, which is a scalable vector graphics, and we're not going to use these options or formats right now. We will mostly work with AI or EPS, or you might want to use PDF in certain situations. But right now I'm going to use Adobe Illustrator and then hit save. So I'm going to name this 02, and when you hit save, a new window will pop up. Here you can change the version. For example, if you're sending your work to your customer, or I don't know, to your friends to see your work or comment on your work, and that person or that company or whatever, they're using the earlier versions of Illustrator, you can change it. You can change it from here so that they can open your file without any disruption. But right now I'm going to use Illustrator CC, and here we have fonts. And here we have options. Always check this box, create PDF compatible file, which means that others can see your work in a PDF format if they are not using Adobe Illustrator, or they don't have the software, but they can still see your work. And here we have another option, embed ICC profile, which is basically embedding the color modes or color profiles. Use compression is I think self-explanatory. And then here we have warnings. But another thing that you should know, let's talk about this later. Okay, let's hit OK, and then your file is saved. Okay, let's do that again. Let's file a new document, but now I'm going to use, for example, 6 artboards. So I'm going to show you another option in Save window. So let's hit Save As, and here I'm going to name this Test 03. And when you want to save this, here we have another option available for us. And if you check this box, each one of these artboards will be saved as a separate file. You have another option, which is range. For example, you might want to save artboard 1, 2, and 3 as a separate file, but artboard number 3, 4, and 5, artboard number 4, 5, and 6 all together. So you can change it. Right now it's 1 to 6. So all 6 of artboards will be saved as a separate file. But if you, for example, change it to 1 to 3, then the first 3 artboards will be saved separately and the other 3 will be saved together. So that's it, guys. I don't think there's anything left to talk about. So we're done with this lesson. See you in the next one. Have fun.